You compare equities with any other asset class, for example, the tax advantage that the equities give is phenomenal. There is no other asset class which gives you similar tax advantage. And also in terms of the returns over a long period of time, nothing else can beat equities.
When we put money in fixed deposit, we know the assured return. When somebody is investing in debt instrument, the downside is protected. In property, they never lose money. That's the mindset. Equity never gives you an assured return. So why should one invest in equities?
If you look at it on a holding period of 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, there's no downside in equity. And I think that's once we need to move horizons. We need to start thinking not in terms of the returns for the next year, but the compounded returns over 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. And over the last 10 years, for example, the markets have given you 15% per annum, and that's on indices.
Common fear when I meet a lot of investors and some of our viewers is that I've never lost money in property. I've never lost money in my gold investment, but somehow I have lost money in stocks.
I think all those investors who cannot put full time into stock markets, I think it's better to come through mutual funds where there is a professional fund management team which handles these issues, and also there is an in-house research team which supports that fund management team, and you will be able to go through these volatile phases without much of heartburn.
If US will sneeze, the rest of the world will catch a flu. If China will crack, earthquake would be felt across geographies. How do you defend India's standing versus what is happening in the world?
No, I think having been in the markets long enough, it's a very simple question to answer. While in the near term, these linkages are very, very dramatic, in the long run, stock prices are only a slave to earnings. So unless there is something which causes the external event to have a problem on your earnings, there is no real permanent impact.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.